Welcome to MedTech Insights. This week, the conversation across the region is dominated by one major strategic shift coming out of Riyadh. Saudi Arabia is no longer just a lucrative market to sell medical devices. It's rapidly becoming a market where you must produce them locally. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, has intensified its push for the localization of medical device manufacturing, a core pillar of the kingdom's Vision 2030. This isn't just a gentle nudge, it's a fundamental change in market access dynamics. We are seeing the SFDA roll out specific incentives tied to local production, including preferential treatment in government tenders and potentially faster registration pathways. For example, companies establishing local manufacturing facilities for items like advanced wound care products or specific diagnostic reagents are finding themselves in a much stronger position for securing long-term contracts with the Ministry of Health. The implications are significant. The old model of relying solely on a local distributor is becoming obsolete for ambitious companies. The new expectation is a deeper commitment, often through joint ventures with local Saudi partners. A prime example of this trend is the recent influx of inquiries about setting up final assembly and packaging plants in the industrial cities near Riyadh and Jeddah. This involves not just transferring technology, but also navigating complex requirements for building a local supply chain and training a skilled workforce. Companies are facing challenges in sourcing raw materials that meet stringent MedTech standards and are investing heavily in local talent development to ensure compliance with international quality standards like ISO 13485. The strategy now involves a dual hub approach for many, leveraging the UAE's established logistics and free zones for regional distribution while setting up specialized manufacturing in Saudi Arabia to meet localization mandates. This pivot is a compliance maze, but for those who navigate it successfully, the reward is unparalleled access to the largest and fastest growing market in the MENA region. If you need assistance navigating these complex regulatory shifts, feel free to email or visit Pure Global.